All right, y'all, got my bowl here. I'm gonna add about 3 cups of popcorn. I'm gonna add about 1 cup of pretzel sticks. Then I'm gonna add about 1 cup of marshmallows. Here, I've got some, this is called almond bark right here. You can find that in the bacon aisle. And we're gonna, I already got it melted right here. I just melted it in the microwave. We're just gonna go ahead and pour about half of this on right here, all over. Okay, like that. And then you're gonna just mix all that up. Telling you, this is looking good. Look at this. How fun is this? Okay, just like that. Just kind of give it everything a nice little coat. All right, kind of have to work fast. Then what you're gonna do is gonna get a lined cookie sheet just like this. Then we're gonna go ahead and pour all this over here. Okay. Super easy, you guys. So easy. Okay. Then make that kind of nice. You can always double or even triple this recipe if you have got a party going on. Then I'm gonna take the rest of that almond bark and I'm gonna just kind of spread it around like this. Okay. Make little swirls if you want to. The more, less, add as much as you want to your liking, whatever you want. Okay, so now then I've got that. I've got this cute little, see how cute these are? Oh my gosh, look how cute these are. They're bunny sprinkle mix. Y'all look at this. So stinking cute. Look at that. They kind of even got like a little chrome. Anyways, just pick up some sprinkles and then we're just gonna sprinkle all this on like this. Now you could do M&Ms if you wanted to, like those Easter pastel. You know, you can make this for whatever holiday you want. You can do it for Halloween or fall or Christmas. You could do different colors. And then you just leave this like this. Look at this, how good that looks. We're gonna leave this and kind of let it set up for about 15 minutes. All right, let's taste this. All right, we might as well just taste it like this. Okay, I'm getting a little popcorn. A little bit of that. Look at that. Okay. Salty. Salty. Very, very sweet.